Pose. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go! Hey, wait. Whoa! What's going on here? Oh, hey.
Oh, okay. That was not so good.
Okay, that's fine. We have here the 2011 Genesis with the turbocharged 2.0 4-cylinder engine. What you have done to this engine?
Well, the first upgrade I got was the forged blow-off valve, which is down here. Also put on a full-on AEM intercooler, AEM intake, AEM exhaust going straight back. Other than that, so far nothing else has been done to the car.
Okay, we have the Audi 3.2 over here. So what's going on under the hood? Can you explain us?
So what I did to this Audi A4 is completely nothing. It's stock.
So this is stock Audi is running against this modified Genesis. That's nice. This Audi is not keeping up with the Genesis, but this one is 2011.
I'd say it didn't do too bad for a stock Audi.
Yes.
A modified Genesis.
Yeah, it is not bad.
Than that, this car pulls some good horsepower.
Yeah, it's not bad.
It's fun to drive, I'm not gonna lie.
Yeah, it is not bad for being a stock Audi from the year 2006. And, well, Genesis. We can get the V6 as well, the 3.3, I believe that's the newer one, but the old one, I'm not sure what's the engine size on that one. But this one is the 4-cylinder 2.0. It's very popular, very easy to find on the street because it's easy to modify it and it's cheap to buy, so it's very popular. So there you have it, a little race. A4 B7 from the year 2006 with the B6 3.2 versus the Genesis 2011 2.0 turbocharged engine. Hope you like this video. Make sure to subscribe. Thank you for watching.